Are you looking for the best budget mirror dual dash cams in 2023? Top 7 Best Budget Mirror Dual Dash Cams Review Buying Guide. In this video, we will look at some of the best budget mirror dual dash cams in 2023. Top 7 Best Budget Mirror Dual Dash Cams Review Buying Guide on the market. For more details and price, click product link. Please check the description below. Before we get started with our video. Number 1. WOLFBOX Mirror Dash Cam. When it comes to safety accessories designed for cars, it is beneficial to go with the ones that have a good track record within its user base. Therefore, we have the following mirror dash cam from WOLFBOX at the top of our list. Starting off our list, we have the WOLFBOX Mirror Dash Cam Backup Camera, which also happens to be the most popular option in the market for mirror dash cam setups. This unit offers up to 1296 resolution video capture from the rear camera and up to 1000A type video resolution from the front unit. This is a smart dash camera setup that also comes with a 12 inches wide display unit powered by an IPS display panel. The capture angle of the WOLFBOX Mirror Dash Cam Backup cameras goes as high as 170 degrees for the front unit and up to 140 degrees for the rear one. And since the display has a 2.5D curved design, you will notice a rather pleasant viewing experience with the setup. The WOLFBOX Mirror Dash Cam Backup camera also features a night vision option powered by a 6-layer glass lens that enhances the light capture in dark. Other smart features of this system include media streaming, GPS loop recording, adjustable viewing angles, and much more. Number 2. Jansite Mirror Dash Cam. On the other hand, if you are looking for a rather compact display with your mirror dash cam system, check out this option from Jansite. This is also currently being used by thousands of users. In second place, we have the Jansite Mirror Dash Cam set. This set also includes both front and rear cameras so that you can get a comprehensive view of your car. The recording resolution of the camera is the standard FHD 1000A type resolution, which is perfect for the included 10 inches wide digital display. However, the display offers WDR/HDR color support that enables a lifelike video preview of the captured image. Also, the included display of the Jansite Mirror Dash Cam offers full touch functionality for ease of access for the user. There is a 32.8 FT long cable included in the package that lets you easily connect the rear camera to the system without any problem. The Jansite Mirror Dash Cam is rated for super night vision functionality, which offers an impeccable display in dark for better security of your car. Similar to most other options on this list, the Jansite Mirror Dash Cam is backed by a year of warranty. Number 3. PORMIDO Mirror Dash Cam. If you are planning to spend a significant sum on your mirror dash cam setup, you should also get a similarly powerful recording performance with the cameras. The following option from PORMIDO ensures that with a high-quality camera lens. Our third choice for the best mirror dash cam setups is the PORMIDO Mirror Dash Cam set. This is probably the best option at this price since it offers almost all premium and features that you would want in your dash cam setup. First of all, the display included in this set is about 12 inches wide and operates on an IPS panel for the best viewing angles. Also, this is a touchscreen display that allows you to switch the viewing modes or angles with ease. However, the best feature of the PORMIDO mirror dash cameras has to be their camera lens. Both of the cameras included in this set are powered by a Sony sensor. Thus, you will get WDR capture technology, which ensures true colors on the display. Even the capture resolution of the camera is 1296, which is a bit higher than the standard 1000A type resolution. The rear camera of this set is very discreet in terms of design and comes with a 33 FT long connection cable for ease of installation. Number 4. Kingslim Mirror Dash Cam. If you are looking for the best recording resolution cameras for your mirror dash cam set, the following option from Kingslim will be the best pick for you. Apart from high recording resolution, it also offers many additional features that you will like. The Kingslim DL12 Pro is the first option on our list of the best mirror dash cam systems that offer up to 4K recording resolution. As you may already know, 4K resolution is right now the best resolution you can have on a mirror dash cam system. And it is also perfectly compatible with the 12 inches IPS digital display included with the set. You can use the front camera at 4K resolution and the rear at 1000A type, or you can use both cameras at 1400 type resolution simultaneously for even performance. While the display offers touchscreen functionality to control the cameras, you probably won't have to use it since it also supports voice commands. You can simply ask the camera to start/stop the recording, change camera angles, and perform other functions. There is also a GPS module integrated into the Kingslim DL12 Pro that saves the location information, which can be really helpful while you are reviewing the footage. These cameras also feature an f/1.8 aperture Sony sensor that enables super night vision support and WDR technology. Number 5. Volway Mirror Dash Cam. There are also a few brands in the market that introduce high-quality cameras in the mirror dash cam setups within an affordable range. The following example from Volway is a great example of such a product. The Volway Mirror Dash Cam is also a smart choice from our picks of the best mirror dash cams. That offers a range of exciting features suited for enthusiast users. It offers up to 1440 type resolution video recording, which is displayed on the 10 inches wide touchscreen digital display. This display also features an IPS display panel, which is great to have at this price range. It offers a wide range of color production with color accuracy and expanded viewing angles. Apart from the touch controls, the Volway Mirror Dash Cam also features direct voice command support that you will find really helpful while you are driving. As for the viewing angles, the Volway Mirror Dash Cam offers up to 170-degree capture angle on the front and up to 160-degree capture angle on the rear camera. This does not leave any blind spot on the footage and allows you to check all angles with ease. The best feature of the Volway Mirror Dash Cam is its Starlight night vision functionality powered by Sony's Starvis camera sensor. Number 6. TOGUARDCAR Mirror Dash Cam. Even though the digital display basically performs the function of the rearview mirror, a lot of users prefer keeping the mirror for the interior view of the car. Therefore, we have included this unique solution from TOGUARDCAR on our list. Coming to the most affordable option for a mirror dash cam system, we have the TOGUARDCAR Mirror Dash Cam. This is a standard FHD 1000A type capture resolution unit that includes 2 cameras in the set for front and rear view recording. However, the rear view camera of the TOGUARDCAR Mirror Dash Cam has 720 type capture resolution, which is of slightly lesser quality than other options. But the included display in the TOGUARDCAR Mirror Dash Cam set has a 4.3 inches display panel, which is good enough for this resolution. But the structure of the digital display matches that of a standard rear view mirror. TOGUARDCAR has managed that by including the display on an actual rearview mirror to keep the functionality of both accessories. Even though this is a very compact display, it still has an IPS panel, which is perfect in terms of color grading. The unit also features a built-in G sensor for added smart features. You also get access to standard mirror dash cam features such as parking assistance and parking monitors. Number 7. JOMISE Mirror Dash Cam. Up next, we have yet another high-resolution mirror dash cam set that might be the right choice for your needs. The following option is designed by JOMISE, a brand that produces a variety of mirror dash cams and their accessories. JOMISE Mirror Dash Cam is also a premium end option that we have included on this list for its similarly high-quality features. First of all, it has an 11 inches wide digital display, which is neither too large nor too small for most users. And since this is a touchscreen display, you will find it much easier to access compared to other compact options. Also, the display panel used for this set is an IPS panel, which is known to offer the best results as far as the viewing angles and color grading is concerned. The JOMISE 4K mirror dash cameras are powered by a Sony camera lens. Therefore, you will have support for up to 4K recording resolution, which is not that common in mirror dash cam units. The JOMISE 4K mirror dash cam is powered by a Type-C USB cable that prevents loose contact and maintains a uniform performance of the system. Similar to other premium options, you will also find superior night vision compatibility with the JOMISE 4K mirror dash cam thanks to the Sony Starvis camera sensor. If you are looking for a reliable option, this might be the one since it is backed by a 2-year long warranty period.